Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another segment of Let's Talk About It at Willard Library with Miss Stephanie. Our purpose is to allow the community to discover, connect, and grow with the many connections and resources and organizations that we have right here in Battle Creek, Michigan, and Calhoun County. So on today, we have our special guest from Goodwill Opportunity Center. Would you let the people know your name?
My name is Micaela. I work at the Financial Opportunity Center here in Battle Creek, downtown. So it's Goodwill Financial Opportunity Center, Capital Ave, 15 Capital Ave Northeast on the corner. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right in the downtown area. And so let people know your role and what you do at the Goodwill.
So at Goodwill, I do workforce development employment. There we help individuals with resumes, cover letters, apply for jobs. If they don't have computer experience, we sit next to them, one of us do, or we have a computer lab where they can go and fill out applications, and someone's always available to help them. So that's one of the resources that we have down there in the community.
I love that. And is there a charge for your resources?
Everything is absolutely free. We do workforce development, we do family services, we do financial and budgeting. So we have a broad spectrum of services that we offer the community.
I just love how we're able to collaborate with the Financial Opportunity Center in so many different ways. One of the things that we have experienced is by Willard Library being a hub, so to speak, we have a lot of people that come to the library and they need assistance with resumes or updating or fine-tuning. And so we were so excited to know that if we don't have the opportunity or the time to help you like we would love to do, we can send them right down the street to the Financial Opportunity Center. And so what are your office hours?
So the office hours are from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. If we have to do after-hour meetings, we can, but we like to meet somewhere public. And in advance, if we have an appointment, please just make sure to keep it, because we're here to work for the community, so we want to be available when people are available.
All right. And can you let our listeners know what the telephone number is?
I have my personal work cell phone number. It's 269-832-1377. You can find the the Financial Opportunity Center phone number online, and you would just go to Goodwill FOC, and you'll be able to find the office number there.
Good to know. And so what are some things that they should bring if they're coming to build a resume or create one?
So if you're coming to build a resume, if you have an old resume, bring that one, because we kind of use that as a guide. It is kind of easy to forget jobs that we had, or maybe even years and months that we worked there. So it's very important if you have a previous resume to bring that in, and identification, of course, so that we know who we're meeting with on a daily basis.
And then what if someone has very little work experience? How are you able to help them with that?
So there are different things that we can connect you with in the community. We have different sources. We have Michigan Works. They give out like classes, like ServSafe classes, different type of classes that you could do and connect and get some training. We also can provide training down there. We do like testing if you need to know like your level, or if you want to go back to school, we can give you referrals. So we do have a broad aspect of assistance there.
That is great to know. The other thing I just thought about is, what if they want to build a resume and you insist in helping them do that? Is there any resources, or do you help with interview skills?
Yes, so we can do interview questions. We can go through like a line of interview questions that will go with the type of job that you're applying for. We give you tips and I guess suggestions on how to make your interview better, so you could be a good candidate for the job that you're applying for.
The other thing that is awesome is Charitable Union. From what I understand, they offer assistance if you're looking for the correct outfit to wear as far as interviewing? Do you know any?
Yeah, so Charitable Union, we do work close with them. They are one of our partners in the community. They do offer clothing and interview clothing for individuals who come down and seek our services. We also, if you are part of our program, we can give you a clothing voucher to make sure that to one of our Goodwill stores, and that way we make sure that you have appropriate clothing for interviews.
I love that, and I love that this is a wraparound because you can come here, we can refer you, we have books that you can read. There's just a lot of different resources that are here to help you be successful. Do you have any success stories from people utilizing your services?
I do. So I have a broad variety of them. I have a young lady that I helped. She came in as a Connect student. She was going to work with our Connects program, but she had missed the deadline. So I was able to get her resume, get her things spiffied up, looking good. We got her into one of our Goodwill stores, and she's happy. She's learning so much there. I also have a young man who came to me homeless. He had just lost his mother about maybe a year ago or a little less, and so he's kind of been on his own. He's about 25 or 26 years old, but it's hard when something like that happens.
Yes.
But we got him, we got him a clothing voucher to Charitable Union. We got him a clothing voucher to Goodwill. We got him some nice interview clothing, and he started working also. So those are two of my big success stories. I do have more, and I'm still actively working with individuals, but just getting people on their feet and trying to help them gain a little bit of independence is ultimately our goal.
I love that. And it's for anyone. We all have experienced potholes in life, and we want to encourage you to utilize the resources and the organizations that are available to help you get through those challenges in life. Is there anything else you would like to share?
Nope, just let you know our doors are open, like I said, from 8 to 4:30. Come down to the Goodwill if you need any assistance. There are multiple people there willing to help. That's what we're here for, so take advantage of the opportunities in your community.
Thank you so much for coming, and thanks again for listening. We hope to see you.